Hello friends, this is your technique. Today I will explain the Sony BTS50 Bluetooth speaker. Last 2 days before I will connect aux cable to this speaker to computer. The pin is broken. How to remove this pin? How to fix this problem? I will tell you step by step. Please subscribe my technique channel. Please like my technique channel. Thanking you once again. Your technique. Friends, first you remove this rubber casing. Take a small screwdriver and open this rubber beading. After opening this rubber beading, there are 4 screws of the 4 screws you can remove gently one by one. This side, that side is 4 screws are available. Hi friends, after removing this beading of the rubber beading, you watch this, the 4 screws are there, the opposite side. You gently remove these 4 screws one by one. After removing this rubber case, the 4 screws are there. This side one and this side one. This side 2 screws and another side also 2 star screws are there. Now I will remove one. This side and the opposite side of the same. The total 4 screws. Now I will remove one by one. Hello friends, now I will remove this screws gently. Total 4 screws are there. This side is the pin is broken. Now I will open this one, just 2 screws. You put on this screws is the separate, some size is different. Then pull down this board. This side is the pin is broken inside of this pin. Now I will pull down this pin gently. One screwdriver. Press it, this pin gently. This broken pin is coming. This audio broken pin is coming. Now I will fix this one and it is working or not. Now I will check. Now I will fix this board as it is, this place. The pin, audio pin, broken pin is coming outside. You observe this. Audio pin is coming outside, broken pin. This one. Now I will fix the internal small screws. The threading is different. You can fix it. The fixing is completed. This board, the button fixing is okay. After that you insert this gently. You can press this 4 sides gently as possible as. After that you put on this seal, rubber seal, this way. This way and tight it. Once you check it is, once you check it is working or not, I will charge this 4 hours. After that I will check this one is working or not. Hi friends, now this is the broken audio 3.5 jack. You observe this is broken. I will remove. After I will be fixing this, I will charge this Bluetooth speaker 4 hours. After I will check it is working or not. Please subscribe my TechDoor channel. Please share, please comment, and thanking you once again. So many videos are coming as technical reviews and servicing and big data videos. Hello friends, now I will connect the power supply. This power indicator is coming. Now I will press the pairing of Bluetooth or volume up and down. You observe this, it is working. You observe this sound. After that I will check the fixing this. After that I will check. This is the pairing of this input pairing. I will fix the screws. This is the power indicator is coming. It is the Bluetooth connectivity and the wireless speaker. It is successfully completed. The 3.5 jack pin is broken pin is connected. I will remove this 3.5 pin. You observe this. This is the 3.5 pin. It is working. You can off also this power supply. The power supply off and on the power supply. Power supply on. And the Bluetooth indicator also coming. Charging indicator also coming. You observe this. Charging indicator, Bluetooth indicator. Now I will connect the power supply. This charging indicator also coming. You observe this. Please subscribe my TechDoor channel. Please like my TechDoor channel. After putting some glue is this place. Thanking you. Please subscribe my TechDoor Telugu channel also. So I share my kitchen also. I will give links in below of my description. Thank you.